What will you be? What's up my nerdy peeps, I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails. So in my last video of nail polish from around the world, I reviewed Holo Toco's latest nail polish collection, celebrating their second anniversary. If you want to have a closer look at the polishes in the box, then check out my previous video. I will leave a link down below and there's also a link in the top right hand corner, so check that out. But if you have watched my previous video, you noticed that one polish was missing in that review, and that was Bonus Track. As in this collection, Bonus Track is a polish that you mix yourself, and in this video we're going to make our own special limited edition nerdy nail polish. So just have a clear empty nail polish bottle with two mixing balls inside the bottle, and mixing balls are inside the nail polish just to help keep the formula of the polish intact, just in case if you don't use it for a while and the materials in the polish starts to separate. It just makes it a bit easier to mix the formula back together. And our nail brush is a clear brush, which is pretty cool. It's also really hard, which I didn't expect, but I'm hoping once we have our nail polish formula in the bottle it will soon soften up. But overall I'm pretty excited to make my own limited edition nail polish. So I've seen people online when they're making their special bonus track, they've been making small samples to make sure they have the perfect design before they make their polish. But me, I like to jump into the deep end, so I'm just going to go straight into it. And I have an idea for a polish that could work and look pretty good, and that is mixing hydropower, full charge and everything Toco together, because I'm hoping it will make a nice teal holographic polish with unicorn flakies, and I think it should look pretty nice. But hopefully the end result and my mind eye will be pretty similar, so I'm pretty excited to mix all these polishes together. So let's get mixing. So here is my bonus track. It's definitely on par to what I had in my mind's eye. I'd say the only thing I expected, I thought it was going to be a bit more on the bluer side, but it's ended up more on the green side, which I'm not hating. It's turned out pretty good. You can see the unicorn flakies, which I wanted. So overall, my first attempt for mixing polish has turned out pretty good. So I'd have to say the ratio for this polish would be 35% hydropower, 55% full charge and 10% of everything Toco, just in case you guys want to recreate this polish at home. But overall it does look pretty good. Pulling the brush out of the bottle, the formula does look pretty okay. I think it's on the slight thick side, as I didn't realise when it came to pouring everything Toco in how thick that polish is. So I think it has made my formula of the polish slightly on the thicker side, but we will see how well it applies on my natural nails. So I think application, it is completely fine. It is gliding nicely on my nails in a short and long format. I do think I was correct with the formula slightly being on the thick side, as it does look a little bit thick in places, but I think I can get away with it. It's still gliding on nicely. I just didn't realise how thick the formula was for everything Toco, but it is looking absolutely fine. It's getting the end result that I wanted, where the unicorn flakies were just piercing through, so that looks really nicely through the holographic green. So overall application is pretty good, and there's no problem to applying this nail polish on my nails. So I think overall I got the end result I wanted in my mind's eye, as the reason I did this formula as I wanted the holographic flakes to show off when you are in direct sunlight or have a flash camera. But I always find when you're in lighting that doesn't show off the true holographic powder, but that's when the unicorn flakies will kicked in, and you still have a nice iridescent transparent shift if you're not in direct sunlight or in an area with great lighting. I noticed with me wearing this polish off screen, if I'm in an area with really bad lighting, then you can see the iridescent flakies really nicely. So this polish kind of ticks all the boxes which I wanted, where you've kind of got some iridescent or holographic effect showing through with pretty much all different types of lighting. If I was going to make this polish again, I would definitely keep everything the same. The only thing I would change I'd really like to have the Everything Taco flakies on its own and not in the glossy formula, as I do think that has made my nail polish slightly on the thicker side, but not enough to think I can't use the polish. I can definitely get away with it, but if I was going to make it again, that'd be the one thing I would change. But overall, not a bad result. I think if I was going to slap my own name on this polish, then rather it being called Bonus Track, I would call it Razor Leaf, as it reminds me of the leaf Bulbasaur throws when he's throwing his attack. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this result. I'd like to try this again, but try and make a more bluer teal for this polish like I had in my mind eye. But I'm not sad with the end result. I still think this polish looks pretty gorgeous. But that's everything for today's video. If you have enjoyed my bonus track mixture, let me know in the comments. If you made your own bonus track, let me know in the comments what your one turned out. I would love to know what your mixtures and creative minds have made for your own special polish. And if there's anything you want me to review or make, then leave me a comment down below. And just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I'll see you in the next nail art video. Bye!